and welcome to another vlog. I'm here at the Happy Place Villas and I'm gonna be here for a week. My parents have also joined me. It's their first time here, so that's very exciting. Other than that, it's also their anniversary tomorrow. So we've come here for an entire week. My family, rest of my family is also going to be joining us very soon. Also, in true Vlogmas fashion, I'm thinking of daily vlogging. If not daily vlogging, I'll combine 2 days and post every day. Let's see how that goes. I'm gonna try and do that. I hope it's gonna be interesting, but let's just get started with the vlog, I guess. This is gonna be our room for the week. This is the marble room. In case you want a detailed tour of the villa, I'm gonna link the tour, of course, but this is gonna be our room for the week. And say hi to Kashish, everyone. That's my cousin sister. She's giving her vivas, which is why actually we left so early in the morning. We left at 7 because of you. और अभी तक शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है. So I'm wearing ski-on. Don't know when it's gonna launch, but I'm wearing ski-on very proudly. I have nothing to do. The pool's being cleaned. She's doing something on her laptop. So I'm gonna set up the room. I'm gonna put everything in the cupboard because I've carried too many things and I can't like keep digging in my bag throughout the week. So I'm gonna organize. So we're done. Cupboard set हो गया. I have all of my jackets here. ऐसा लग रहा है हम लोग शिमला है. Mostly we've packed for like winter. I don't know why. It's cute. यहाँ पे I have all of my denims, bottom wear, dresses. This is my swimming costume collection, mini. And then I have some robes. Don't ask me why I got robes. यहाँ पे सब products रख दिए हैं. Innerwear, night suit, joggers, products. इतना जगह कशिश के लिए छोड़ा है. Fill it up. Wardrobe is done. Let's go have some lunch. Lemon coriander. कैसा लगा lemon coriander? काफी yummy है ना? Papa, how's your soup?
I have not tasted.
Then taste. करो. I'm waiting.
She's sipping beer.
दिया ना उसने.
Mridul, it's nice. Very nice. Yum.
The soups are
Nice.
So lunch खत्म करके almost 1 घंटा हो गया and I've been trying to convince everyone to get into the pool ever since we came. No one's interested, so I'm just gonna go in alone. I don't care. And I've been waiting. Focus. How long have I been in the pool for?
3 hours.
And she just came because उसका exam चल रहा था. Her exam was supposed to be at 1. And कितने बजे हुआ?
6:30.
6:30. So I'm still gonna chill in the pool, but I have to.
Google crashed
Yeah, apparently.
on the 14th of December. Remember the date.
Yeah, but I have to upload a video, so I have to get out, even though I don't want to.
Also, YouTube crashed.
Yeah, is it back on? We'll check. This is the vibe right now. We've made a little bit of a mess, but it's still so pretty. Also, this is a new edition. You can't really see it, but of course it says The Happy Place. So just got done swimming, changed. I'm editing right now. I haven't edited today's video and it's already 7:20. I need to 23. Yeah, I need to get on with the editing. And we've ordered क्या बोलते हैं? भजिया, आलू भुजिया. नहीं, not like आलू भुजिया नहीं, आलू के पकौड़े, कांदा के पकौड़े और मिर्ची के पकौड़े, and we're gonna have it with chai. So I'm really excited about it. Are you excited?
Yes. Because we just came out of the pool.
Pool, I know, very hungry and मजा आया.
And this is Shanvi.
Yeah.
रुको देखो.
My 5-year cousin. 5-year-old cousin.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, so I'm checking in after 4-5 hours. I fell asleep. Video edit हो गया था, upload पे रखा था, and then I woke up at like 1 o'clock. Even she slept, and now we raided the living room and we found some rice, thankfully. So this is what we're having. Yes, I did miss an upload. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'll upload 2 videos tomorrow. Or I might upload even on the 26th. I don't know. I need to figure how to go about it. But मेरे पास video ready है, so I'll just post it. I'll adjust it somehow. We'll see. welcome to the next day. So did our morning routine, pool mein gaye, but abhi finally we're ready. We had lunch. How was lunch, by the way? Pretty good, right? I love the lemon coriander soup. It's so good. You have to try it in case you ever come here. Too good. And the quantity is also really good. We could hardly finish the whole thing. But now what we're doing is pasa. Thoda dheere bolna padega. We're going to get supplies for my mom dad's dinner date. We are very unprepared. Today is, by the way, my mom and dad's anniversary, 26th anniversary. We're not
Republic anniversary.
Republic anniversary, yes. So last year was 25th. Uska ek pura video, I'll link it down below in case you're interested. So is saal itna, it's like a 26th, so it's not supposed to be too special, right? That's how I'm justifying it in my head, because I haven't done much. So we're gonna go get some supplies and let's go. I'll vlog it for you guys. So I was actually wearing like a cute dress. This is a dress, but I put on some truck pants because #sharam. And we're off to the grocery store. So the supermarket is like 5 minutes, hardly 5 minutes away from the villa, and we're walking there because काफी पास है. So we're back from Ajay and we've got so much saman. Come and join me in this haul. So if you ever come to the Happy Place Villas or just Nagaon in general, she's sanitizing everything, you must come to Ajay in case you need any of their essentials, because they have everything literally. Wahan pe they had makeup also, and I saw this random Pond's ka BB cream, so I picked it up. But basically what the plan is, we've got some tea lights. I'm talking a little bit softly because my parents are around. So we got these tea lights. So I want to put tea lights सब जगह पे. Actually मुझे LED tea lights चाहिए थे, but they're not available anywhere. So we're gonna use these. Then we have regular candles. Got some regular cheese to go with the wine. Couldn't find fancy cheese. And then दूसरा सब तो actually खाना पीना ही है. We got like chocolates and snacks. Yeah, we also got some orange juice to go with क्या sangria.
An apple.
Yeah, and we got an apple also. ठीक है, बस इतना ही है. Everything other than that is very boring, so we're not going to show you. Kashish is straightening my mom's hair. Mummy, I join a hi bol. Nah. Okay, she's gonna give you the final reveal. Yeah, and a hi later as well. So it's been a while since I've checked in. It is 10 o'clock right now and we've just been setting up. I got done making some sangria and we set up all the tea lights. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second, but I'm a little bit off because my video isn't uploading. I wasn't able to upload yesterday either. RGB, I don't think it's gonna upload. So that's what's happening right now. I'm just gonna let it go for some time and I'm gonna go get ready because I mean, what else can I do at this point? So yeah, let's go. So I just cleansed my face and I used this Dermaco's AHA BHA foaming cleanser. Now this product has mandelic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and by the way, this product can be used both day and night. The Dermaco as a brand promotes living without filters and it believes that we are the best versions of ourselves. Hence, we don't really need to hide behind filters or makeup to look good. So this is the first product that I use in order to cleanse my face and to get a really nice clean base. I'm going to top it off with this serum. Again, this serum is from the Dermaco and it's their 10% niacinamide serum. Now this is for acne marks especially. I've been breaking out quite a lot and I do have a few acne marks. So I've been using this for a while and I do really like it. By the way, if you use this during the day, make sure to use a sunscreen to top it off. I'm using it obviously at night, so I don't really need a sunscreen right now. So the Dermaco uses potent ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid, AHAs, BHAs, etc. in the prescribed dosage, and it honestly discloses the active percentage. Unlike other brands, we just use these just for the name and marketing gimmick. One more thing, the niacinamide serum will really help you control your acne and sebum production. So if that's something that you're worried about, I think this should be a great serum for you. By the way, this product is super lightweight, so if you have oily skin like me, don't worry about it at all. It's going to seep into your skin within seconds. If you didn't already know, Dermaco is a brand by dermatologists, so it's super effective and super safe for you to use. But of course, make sure to always do a patch test before actually using it. Now, ever since I've been using this product, I do see slight changes in my skin, especially the scars and the acne marks. So obviously it makes me feel a lot more confident being in my bare skin. So if that's something that you're struggling with, definitely check this product out. I'm gonna make sure to link it in the description box below, and you can of course use my code MRIDUL20 to get a 20% off. Now I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly. I don't think I'm gonna do any base makeup. I might just do powder and then brows, mascara, lipstick. That's all I'm gonna do. So I'll see you on the flip side. All done. I'm gonna get dressed, wear a jacket because it's a little bit cold, and we can get started with the setup. रेडी हुडी में चलो, लेट्स गो. ऐसे चलो, उल्टा चलो, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे ऐसे पप्पा તમે ચીટિંગ કરશો હા પ્લીઝ. હા એમ જ ચાલો. ગુડ. Okay, so we're done with the surprise. How do you think it went?
It was very beautiful.
Yeah, went well. So this is what we've ordered. This is from a place called Laziz. Apparently it has really good pizzas. So we've ordered
Very good.
too many. Yeah.
Look at the cheese flowing.
They've put too much cheese, which we don't mind. So of course we've ordered some fries. Let's go and serve them some pizza.
Laziz pizzas for you.
Oh my god, pro.
6.5 hours later.
So it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm ready to go to bed. But today's day was successful. My parents really liked the whole setup. It was very pretty, and we just had some food and we chilled, gappe mare for like hours. And now finally I'm going to bed. I think this was like a successful format. 2 days combined karke ek vlog banana. I'm gonna keep doing this till I'm here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye. So for today's giveaway, in order to participate, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like the video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Ski On Apparels, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post.